G'day, here's a large parcel of small fossil pieces of material from Lightning Ridge. Looks like a few pieces of seam opal in here as well. Some of it's nice and bright, got nice electric colours. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in a fair way. You can see the colours there, some of it's electric. There's also amongst it almost like concrete. It's too hard to tumble, so unfortunately it's mixed in. It's as it comes out of the ground. These are all small pieces, and I'll just pick up some and give you a bit of an idea. A few pieces of clay like this, which I'll endeavour to pull out a few more of the pieces, but realistically if you get some with clay, that is part of the deal really. Here's an example of a fossil. See the bark or the timber or bone or whatever it is. Some are better than others. Piece of timber, I'd say. That gives you a bit of an idea. What I'm doing with this is I'll be selling it in small deals, and it'll be randomly picked out of the bucket. Hope you enjoyed. Cheers.